Sanibonani and welcome to another exciting episode of The Screenshot. We are still in Mapane, Gwanda District under Chief Matema, and for part 2 to sibuye lo Molini. Umolini is about an issue okuthiwa what do you call it? Early marriages. Sifunge sixoxisana ngokuthi kwenzakalani, why are girls getting married early? We're not saying it's a bad thing as long as it's not illegal, as long as you're over the age limit. We're going to talk about it. Maybe we're also going to dive into those maybe as who are now doing a massive marriage that are not under the law. So let me not give a lot of wings. That Molina's introduce us. Molini, the floor is yours.
My name is Molini Moyo. I'm from Gwanda under Chief Matema. Ngizochaza lapha into ezenzakala in our community. Ama early marriages are illegal. Okwenzakala umntwana emncane under 18 years, and also sometimes forced marriage yaforcwa ukuthi athathwe yena engafuni or anikwe umuntu angamfunile.
So Molini, mina ku intro yami I'd say to some of the early marriages they might be above 18 as long as they're not illegal. But then you mentioned something interesting, ukuthi kulabanye maybe abantu singathi sebezitshadisile, and
Yes,
because there's no legal marriage to my understanding enjani below the age of 18, and so ukuthi umuntu ole 16 uyabe senjani kuthiwa kwenzani masihlalisane.
masihlalisane.
So ngombona lapho masihlalisane.
Sengabona lapha in our community about 2-3 young adults abathathwa bahamba bayindiswa komunye ukhulu ngenxa yokuthi ubabakhe lalwana khulu babezwanana, and of course that khulu wayenothile.
So lapha so size one ukuthi like 2 16-year-olds banjani bahleli bonke. That's a big issue phela nxa if you're saying ukuthi umuntu let's say lenga 16 17 usethethwe umuntu omdala ngenxa yokuthi wayezisisana lo lokhu
Lo babakhe.
Umphakathi wona ubususithini ngakho khona lokho.
Some of these things abantu abangenelele ungathi uyangenela, sometimes bakuthumela abantu lapha kugcwele abantu abachayayo, bakuthumela abantu ungakwazi or umuntu ayenze something okuza ugcina regret. And of course yabe ungahlangenela lokho kwefamily naleyo, yabe ungasosihlobo, and angeke uthathe action maybe uthi uyabophisa or uyathini ukuthi usave that umntwana.
All right.
Kuyabe kunzima.
So what situation yakhona, is it usually will they be entering a polygamy or yabe only wife?
Sometimes we polygamy or wabhujelwa umfazi esesele A1, and then esiplana maybe ukuthatha another wife.
All right, bese
pure yena lo.
All right. So legally babe ngachadanga
babekitshelwe imali onika inkomo zena lezi asifunayo.
So manje in terms of isikolo umuntu angifuna bekwanza yena ukuqeda isikolo abuyele isikolo umbe full time sihlungu umfazi umama wendlu usukhangela indlu usuhlaba ngumuntu omdala
Uvehlube umuntu omdala vele from the age of 16 ukuthi ubuyele isikolo. Yabona abantu abadala labana abanye abasiqhakathekisa isikolo, and uzabe umphiwe umuntu lwana awuzikhomiselanga awuzithathelanga uziphi uthwe thatha, and ukuthi unicabanga ukuthi maybe umhambise isikolo wona vese ufuna umfazi ukuhlala uzabe kunakekela because yabe sokunjani sukhulile.
But how does an old man have a relationship with a young child? I always wonder about these things. Ukuthi ingqondo zomntwana ole 16 nomuntu osedlule kubo 50 years lixoxa ngani? That's like an issue of mine that I always wonder. What is it that you talk about? Like umdala yabomncane obviously uMolini yabesazicabangela labo ngumfana okuncane okungaka ku right, and then you are in that situation. What do you talk about?
Because we lead that to ukuthi agcine cheater because yabe mncane, and that ukhulu wakho yabe khulile. So sokulidu yenze njani ucheat because angeke athandane lo muntu omdala at 50 ule 16.
Uzodinga usenze sakho.
Uzodinga
TikTok into ezinjalo. I mean
because uyahlukula isidala ube mdala umncane and usa explore ubone ezinye izinto ufunde uhlangane labanye abantu ukuze ukhule. but usuhlala ekhaya vele usulikhaya.
Have you ever heard of situation obviously sifuna uqamba abantu we unkazana ugcine sebalekile kumbe uhamba kobulawayo so kuthiwa sezodingwa setholakala selomuzi? Have you ever come across such a situation?
Yeah, ngiyake ngizwe ngakho.
Do you blame them?
Hayi, amba blame because lapha niyaboncindezelwe ngezinye indlela yabuthetho wafuqelwa kungela decision yakho avunyelwa ukuthi wena maybe uraise ukuthi I know ngifuna ukwenza lokho or to do this but uyabuhanjiswa kuphela.
Alright Mwalwini, ngiyambuze, what do you think is the importance of age group here, like okay abo 16 18 to date around? Why do you think kuqhakathekile before they get married
to date around?
Do you think kumele umuntu aqale ajole before echada or kumele njani kube lo one person njoba la uchadelayo? What do you think?
Mina I think ukuthi all right uqala ujolo uqala ubona before uchada experience ezinye izinto before usiya ku marriage. Sometimes it's good la ukuthi uhlu date khona lapho uchade but yawungela experience maybe ungadlulanga kwezinye izinto ukuthi ukuhlala ama heartbreaks lento ezinjalo ukuchithela ukukhale. So siyahlangana la so ku marriage and kuza kulimaza ugcina ku end maybe uzibophela or doing something ezihlo.
So umuntu mele aqala ka
no
go through ba.
No, not like that but at least ubele experience just uhlangane lezi izinto ezinye nzima nje.
But lokho kungcono I think but ivele effect yokuthi even if so experience le but ukuthi usiyajikela omunye umuntini osekhule kakhulu that I think is such a bad thing and why are the authorities not involved? Phela into le yabe illegal. Do you think ukuthi in small places like this siyafikela ama perpetrators? Why do you think we protect abantu bona laba and what is the reason for ukuthi siya protect people who take wives that are under the legal lokuzeni age? Awukwazi abantu befukela.
Angaya laba ngazi ukuthi why kunjalo, maybe it's traditional or what angazi.
Maybe amahlala lakho amasiko
ngicabanga njalo maybe.
Usiko I think sokumele luchinje ngoba it's not okay for someone old to take umuntu oya especially again I'm not saying vele it's right but especially against their own will than abantu makade ngakufunanga lokuzeni. So I also want to talk about something lapha nxa usezindaweni ezinje you notice ukuthi a friend of mine was telling me ukuthi lapha yena vela khona ekhaya over the years abantu baba balutshwane abantu they keep getting fewer and fewer. So immigration from like areas like this to Bulawayo ibulala njani umphakathi? Is it doing anything to umphakathi? The standard of living siyayehla kumbe kuyancedisa abantu nxa behambile omolina sebehlala koBulawayo bathumeza imali? Does it help?
Ngezindlela kule advantage lama disadvantages.
Okay.
Ama advantages ke ukuthi kuyaphungula at least ku community kuyaphunguleka isigebengu if ihambe town wayasebenza and akona
uhamba isigebengu etown.
No, not ihambe town abe isigebengu but at least abe occupied than ukuthi ahlale lapha uzatshonjela abadala and ayenze ezinye izinto ezingayisizo.
So manje nofuna hamba esitshonjela thina.
No, ngihambi kuyatshonje town. But
it's not occupy town.
Ahambe la ethengisa erenkini. I started business.
Wena wasukela?
Mina ngasuka ngisiyafunda. Seng advance in education yami.
So most of the age group yakho vele mayisuka lapha yabe sesikolani?
Yeah.
Do you come back now from ilokuzeni yangikhulumeli kuwe ngithi like general age group yakho regularly yabuya yini? Do you put back into your own community? So ngani ngiyakujaja but
I know.
It's not I've always thought about this thing ukuthi it's not even about like the area of Gwanda and even when you come from Harare, Bulawayo, you leave the country and you go to another country. Yes. Do you do something that you bring back to Zimbabwe to develop it I don't think we do that. Like,
No, we don't.
I think vele sihle sikhohle
Sihambe,
simove
vele
oil.
sihambe.
Yithi kodwa lathi siyiproblem. Yithi lathi siyiproblem ukuthi sihamba vele sihambe sihle sikhohle.
Sikhohle ngayo.
Ngizathumezela umama $10, ngizamthumezela $20 ayethenga impuphu lani. I've done my part. So I was just thinking about khonokho nje ukuthi uMolini will do something.
I will do.
What will you do?
Maybe mina bafakela i-booster for i-network so that lokhuze babe khona ku-internet babona izinto ezenziwa ngabanye abalingana labo bafunde.
I like that idea a lot. Because do you know what I think? I think there's power in numbers. When people have the same idea and you come together, this is now the youth coordinator and me thinking, if you have the same idea, you come in, you help out, man. Now back to child marriage. Because you're going to be approaching 16 days of activism against gender-based violence. I don't know if by the time this is, we would be doing this as part of 16 days of activism against gender-based violence, and one of those things that people look into is child marriage design. So tell me something, when it comes to activism or doesn't about gender-based violence, do we see it a lot here? People respect each other, traditions, it's peaceful, it's heavy.
I know, not like it's peaceful, it's heavy, but akuvamanga kangaka akugcwalanga nje khonoko we-gender based violence lapha. Abantu bahloniphana.
Abantu abachaya abafazi.
Hayi, lapha it's rare.
That's good. So do you have ama-activists abantu abake babuye lapha bakhulume ngakho bethi unusually yabuya amapholisa ukuthi thina silande lokho sizoxoxisana lo mphakathi lani? Do they come?
Maybe one, yeah, just nje ukuthi bezofundisa abantu nje kuphela, but lapha nje ku-peaceful.
All right, now when it comes to ama-youth, do you think ama-youth in this area are aware of izinto ezinjengabo GBV, ezinjengabo child marriages? Are they aware?
Basafuna ukufundiswa futhi more, especially in child marriages. Ama-youth lapha abona cabanga ukuthi maybe umendo i-solution, maybe ukuthi suke bazalini ongazithwala vele kuhambe lo mfana lo even bengavumanga, so i-solution yokuthi ube uzimele wedwa. But at the end abe seduke and then say we are back futhi. Into bafuna ukufundiswa about i-future, ukuthi ungafunda uyenze lokhu ubona okwenziwa ngabanye, nothi uzithwala ukumitha umendo comes after.
So uzithwala into enkulu vele
lapha kakhulu.
From what age?
15. Yeah. From 2 badrop isikolo because sebezithwele endohlihlale vele.
So it's been an issue for a long time there.
Lapha ikakhulu lapha vele ungathi uyacheck ama-youth amaningi bakuthuthela bonke belabantwana khonapha. Umbuzi age 15, 16.
So qede lapha babe siyahlala lo bani. Also ubamithiswa ngabani? Abafana benkomo.
Abafana benkomo, but labanye abafana bakhona njengokuthi omakhelwane omunye ehlale ngale, omunye ehlale nga, sokuthathana sokumendo.
Do you think reason yokuthi abantu bamitha kangaka is it because of the lack of exposure? Ukungaboni umhlaba phandle ukuthi there's more to life than ukuvuka usithi hello ngiyakuthanda sengukhombisa futhi sebeyeza ukubona sutshona uthethiswe endlini.
Banida ukuthi bafundiswe more about life. Ikho bakudinga ukuthi bafundiswe more about life, and at least abahambe kuma events, maybe kube khona ama events lana ama youth networking, like, and learn from each other. Likhuphuke senjalo nje because bona bakuswelayo I think ukufunda about life, lokuthi lihlangane labanye abantu from other side and you learn from them. At least ube lama role models. No, I want to be like this and I want to do this because someone did this.
Because ngatshona mbona uThabo lo Molini lo kuthiwa ngubani lo ngumdu every single day akulanto entsha engiyifundayo wesise sishona siyengana yeah ngiyayibona ipoint yakho lapha evela khona but like do we have those types of ama-youth events ukuthi sithi siyahlangana ngama-youth kumbe siyafunda ngalokho kuyatholakala yini emaphani?
Ayi lapha emakhana kutholakala into nje enidakalayo lapha eshodayo ukuthi ama-youth akafundiswe because lapha ayakutholakala lapha.
But maningi ama-youth?
Yeah, akhona sibili ungababiza kuthiwa ama-youth afunakala endaweni nje bayathutsha babe baningi. So bafuna ukuthi maybe lokhu behamba ama-workshops or like ufundiswa
something to keep you occupied. So an idle mind is a dangerous mind. Yiliqiniso sibili nxa utshona ungayenzi ukuthi uyagcina usenza vele into ezinye. Okungayiblame abantu bethu abasezikhundleni angikhulumi ngabe emaphaya. Manje general people tend to forget ukuthi kulabanye abantu outside the cities who also need yilokhu zenini into zokuyenza especially at this very critical age. So lawe ungahamba ngesikolo ncane usungazibani?
No, naso zenzo unazibani.
Vele wena you knew ukuthi you are not meant to be
like that uthi mina firstly ngajana nje labantu abaphezulu kulami abase like ama teachers ibe ngangizwana labo so at least
ngabantu ababe
yes ama role models ami and of course babekutshela ukuthi do this.
Let's talk about the importance of role models. Like you were saying when they shaped your life and
yes,
and you are now where you are and not in other situations because of the fact that you had role models in your life and so how come abanye abantu they don't have those type of role models? It's where they are. They dropping out of school or what type of role models do we have here in Mapan except for our teachers?
Our teachers.
Yo lawa shodayo
ama-role models lapha shoda maybe ukuthi abantu bakhona abakhola abaningi bakhona bafunde bahambe sokusala ugogo labokhulu so ngizathi ngizakhula ngivuba lo muzi.
So that becomes an issue, right? Maybe ukuthi if people were here, let's say abantu osomabhizimusi into ezinjalo bebuya into eziserious yabo bezothi hayi njani mina ngaqala la. It's important ukuthi nxa sisuka lapha esikhona siphenduke Molini kuqakathekile
hayi siyaphenduka
sikhulume lama youth silokhu zesi you know engage being I don't think there's anything that is hard about being a role model. Ngikhuluma la you can be a role model.
Yes, I can be.
Okay, because I think already you are to someone, so it can be. So I thank you Molini for having this talk with me, and I learned something important today. Now I learned something important today, which I especially like the fact that there are some people who shaped your life and they were hamama values till now. So I love that a lot. So for abalaleli ezindlini, and especially those of us who might be traveling all over the country and all over the world, I think it's important for us to also give back to where we originally came from for the next generations to thrive, because sometimes I'm not saying it's anyone's fault, but sometimes what we leave behind, we need to come back and look at and see how it's growing. So make sure you follow us on all our social media platforms, Facebook, TikTok, Instagram, everywhere, even LinkedIn. You can link us, or you can link with us there. So make sure you leave a like, comment, and subscribe to our social media platforms and tell us what it is that you want us to talk about, and we will look into it. So until next week, bye.